Hello guys, welcome to Fran's Tech channel. Please, if you are new here, kindly tap on the subscribe button to get my new updates when I upload any video. Let's get back to today's video. Today's video is very amazing, and I hope the viewers watching this video will be able to make money at the end of watching this video. When you take into consideration, many people take it difficult to make money online, but today's video, you make money online simple. No investment, you don't invest any money, you'll be staying at home, then you'll be making money. So let's start with me as I'm going to show you this video on Play Store. Yeah, it is here. Let me see whether it's here. Load fast. Yeah, then you search for Sagapu. It's already here. The side hustle, so you must work hard to earn the money. I'll teach you all the steps in earning the money. So keep watching the video. Sagapu, the African app that gives you a voice. Sagapu is an African online survey app that gives you a voice. Earn rewards from home or anywhere by answering a few questions. Yeah, it's true. So you click the next button, click it, then you click on get started. So you choose English, then you click off I have free, then accept the terms and privacy. Then you log in with your Google account. So I'm logging in with my Google account. So you wait for your account to load. So I'll sign in as Ransbafwamia. That's my first Gmail account. It's here, so I'll tap on it. Then I'll sign in. If a friend invites you, add here the code that he shared with you or leave it empty. So if a friend share and invite you, you can write it here. If not, you press on escape. Then you wait for it to load. So come right now. I'm already having 150 points. Transfer from point 150. Are here. So every day you get surveys to answer. Let me teach you something here. Press on this button. So if you want to redeem your points, click on the dollar sign here. Then read this one. This one said that earn points. Redeem 5,000 points for 110 Ghana cedis. That is 1.1 million. Please note that payments are done by either bank transfer, mobile money transfer, or mobile top-up. Availability of the payment method might differ from country, as these are subject to local legislation. When you reach 5,000 points, you can redeem them. They are also available in your account within 7 business days. So when you get 5,000 points, they will pay you 1.1 Ghana cedis. So this can be either bank transfer, mobile money. So you can withdraw it from your mobile money account, your bank account, or mobile top up. It's very good. So come to your dashboard. Then you have 2 surveys today. So I'll start to answer this one, that's the Sagapu daily questions. So I click on it. Then I click on OK. Allow. I'll wait for it to load. Click on next. So this question is that please read it carefully and answer it carefully. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Outdoor activities are the best for me. I agree. So then I click on agree. Then the next. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the following statement? I enjoy spending time with my friends when I can. I agree. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the following statement? I find watching movies, listening to music very entertaining. Agree. That's it for today. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow. So click on the next. So this one one, answer it carefully, because this one they'll look at it and give you the point. So this, what is the result for 5 plus 5? Please select the correct answer from below. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So when you click on this, they won't give you the point, so answer it correctly. So 10. Then interview completed. So congratulations, transfer family. Thank you for participating in Sagapu. So they gave you 5 points. So please take a moment and give us your feedback. So feedback, was it difficult or easy? So this was very easy, interesting. Then click on send. So you wait for some minutes, then the 5 points will be added to your current points. So I've already said. So wait. So feedback sent successfully. So continue to do this. Let's do this too. Do this one too. Today's survey is about your household expenditure habits. Our survey will only take 2 minutes of your time. So you click on it. Who do you live with? Maybe I live with my parents. So next, do you or your family own or rent or your parents' residence? We own our residence, and click on it. The following set of questions are about your whole household, everyone who lives in your house. Now please think about your day-to-day expenditures and expenditures of your entire household. Type 0 if you don't spend anything on a specific category of expenditure. Please give us an estimate in your local currency. Try to be as accurate as you can. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on food and alcoholic beverages? Maybe you spend 200 cedis. Spend 200. What is the color of a blue car? Or what is the color of a blue car? So this one, answer it correctly. What is the color of a blue car? So it is blue. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on alcoholic beverages and tobacco? Maybe 0. You don't smoke tobacco, so 0. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on beauty and personal care products? Maybe 100 cities, so definitely 100. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on beauty services? Maybe 300. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on mortgage or loan payments for householding? Maybe 2,000. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on electricity? So 3,000. 300. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on domestic or household services? Maybe 400. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on transport? 500. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on media and telecommunication? 100. On average, how much money does your household spend per month on eating out, restaurant, bars, and 50? How much money did your household spend in the last 4 months on clothing and footwear? Maybe 3,000. Household. How much money did your household spend in the last 12 months on furniture and household equipment? Maybe 110. How much money did your household spend in the last 12 months on healthcare and medicine not covered by any insurance? Maybe 690. How much money did your recreation sport? 450. Then you keep going. How much money did your household spend in the last 12 months on education? Maybe 3,000. How much money did your household spend in the last 12 months in insurance? 400. How much money did your household spend in the last 12 months on banking services? 560. On average, how much money does your household spend per month to repair the student loans? 120. On average, how much money does your household manage to save per month? 123. So we are sending interview. Now we are done. So they gave you 25 points. So this one is many. So you click on the next. This was another difficult, interesting. Then you click on the send, and you are done to go. So now I'm having 155 points, as you can see on my dashboard. So as you are going, so do this till you get the 5,000. Then you get 1.1. I'm gonna see this. So this one 0 to 499 points, and they'll pay you 500 points, 1,000 points. So keep doing it. You can can earn 500 cedis when you reach some place. So you can invite your friend, or you can send your referral code to your friend. So this is my referral code 9CARQ. When you are registering for it, please type into this invite, type it the invite box. So both of us will get. Your friend needs to install Sagapo and use your code while registering in order for you both to earn the 5 points. So we'll get 5 points. I will also get 5 points. So use my referral code to register your Sagapo account, so you can invite friends and other stuff. So if this will help you, please like, share, comment below, and also subscribe for me. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Meet again. Click on the menu button. Then you click on the administrative details. Then you fill the necessary forms. Your full name, your phone number. The phone number, it must be the Momo number. Then you take your selfie of yourself. Then you upload ID, maybe your Ghana card. The front, then you upload the front one. Then here you upload the back. Then you type in the national ID number. Then you click on the save. Click on save, then it will load. When the dashboard comes, that means you are done with the administrative details. So when you reach the 5,000 points, they will send you your 1.1 Ghana cedis to your Momo account that you use the administrative details. Make sure to do some surveys to get points. So as you continue doing it, you get 20 points. Then after all, they'll give you your money to your own account. So keep doing it. There is a side hustle. You make money from it, but it's not easy. So do it. Keep doing it. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. If this video helped you, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment below. Subscribe for new updates on my videos. Thank you. Please, if this video helped you, kindly like, subscribe, and also comment below. Bye bye.